Beep beep! We're here!
Beep, Bianca!
Yahoo!
Wow, did you just get a car?
Yeah!
Did you get a car, love? The castles.
Breakfast na kami. So ito yung nakuha ko. Si Bianca nag-umpisa na kanina pa. Hi! Bawas-bawas na yung kinain niya. Oh. Tapos ito yung kumuha ko ng omelette. Si Irene wala pang nakukuha. Pupunta pa lang siya doon. Oh, nagda-dance pa oh. Hi! Good morning!
Good morning! It's day 4.
Day 4. So, ilang days na lang? 2 days na lang? 3? 2. 3 days na lang. Yeah. Uwi na si Bianca.
Oh.
Malungkot.
I think nakaano na tayo halfway.
Yeah, halfway na.
We just had breakfast. It is a buffet.
Yeah. So, ngayon, abangan nyo yung gagawin namin today. Okay?
What kami food? What time is it left?
It's 10:30.
10:30. You can see the
Hi guys!
Hello!
Hello! So, ano tayo? Ano tawag natin dito sa session na to?
Pillow talk.
Pillow talk. About sa mga binili namin sa grocery kahapon ni Bianca makulit. Ngayon, pag na-review namin, ibibigay namin kay Bianca, papaano namin.
Hindi to review, papakita lang natin.
Yeah. Okay, sige. Let's go!
Okay. So, yesterday we went to Chedraui, dun sa Puerto Morelos town. And nag-onting grocery shopping lang kami. Onti lang, very, very few. So, yung first na binili natin was Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Nakalagay dito, 1 liter. It's not here kasi naubos na.
Pakita mo yung bote.
Saan?
Ay, Gatorade pala.
Yeah, Gatorade.
Diba, nainom ko na pala.
I think it's a grape flavor. And 1 liter was 25.50 Mexican pesos.
Oh, can you say 25?
So, that's like,
Dance.
niround na lang namin to 26 pesos.
Stand up while dancing.
Okay, so next,
Dance.
we went grocery. Sabihin ko muna yung yung mga food stuff. So, si Bianca had rice and chicken. She had rice and chicken. The chicken was 34.50 and the rice was 20.50. So, total was 55 Mexican pesos.
Bigyan sa kanya na. Papa-authenticate natin yan.
Okay. And bumili si Lore ng parang lemonade soda. It was 26 Mexican pesos. This one, it's 2 liters.
Masarap siya.
2 liters. Okay, Bianca, what did we buy? It says we bought galletas marinela, which was 40 pesos. Mexican pesos. This one. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one.
Ayan.
40 pesos. And Gabi galletas.
Tartas mix.
I think ito yon 55. Like mga tarts. 55. And anyway, ba't ganon? We bought, ano pala, cup noodles. They only had 2 flavors, spicy shrimp or chicken. So we bought 2 spicy shrimp and 1 chicken. I can't remember magkano siya isa, pero it was like 3 for 38 pesos or something like that. I can't remember. 28 plus 14. Kala ko 3 for a something to. Anyway, I think 3 for something lang siya kung meron kang membership card. Kasi hindi it doesn't
lang isa-isa.
yeah, hindi siya discounted dito. This one, Doritos, 51.50, I think. And this one's Lay's for sure. That one's 51 pesos. Nagad Bianca. Did she go there by herself? And I think the last one that we bought was this mango.
Oh, nga pala. Kailangan makain to.
That one is 21.44 pesos.
Malaking mango. Sa Pilipinas ano to eh. Ang tawag dito.
Indian or no?
Hindi. Apple mango or...
Taas mo pa, babe. What's that called, baby?
Mango! Or ano, manggang kalabaw ba yun?
And yung bag nila may bayad. This was 2 pesos.
Yay! That's it!
That's it! Say bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Ayun, total natin for only these things, 260 pesos. Bye! Say bye-bye!
So ready na kaming gumala ni Bianca. Ready na yung water niya. Tapos dito, yung beer ko naman. Let's go! So,
We're at the lobby. We're gonna tour the resort.
yeah. So, mag-start tayo dito sa lobby.
And pag-enter mo, pag-drop off ka ng shuttle, iwan mo yung bags mo doon, yung luggages mo
Dito.
doon.
Yan, iniiwan lang yung mga bags dyan.
Tapos mag-check-in ka.
Yeah.
Ay, pag-arrive mo pala muna dito, bibigyan ka ng welcome drinks. Nakantok si Bianca.
Tapos, yan, may mga upuan dito.
May bata.
Center. Pagod na yung bata.
Meron din siyang fan.
Tapos dito yung check-in counter.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hi! So, dito yung mga waiting area. Tapos ano yung dapat nilang ingatan?
Yung mga masyadong lively,
Friendly.
kasi baka alok ka na presentation or timeshare.
Mauubos yung oras mo.
Yeah. Usually nagpa-promise nila, oh may free ganito.
Yeah,
You know
itutur ka
what,
daw nila.
one day, may tumawag dito nung sa natin sa room. Tapos sabi na na meron daw tayong parang something free trip sa whatever. Pupunta lang daw sa
Ganong
guest
lugar.
desk.
Ayan.
Sabi ko, okay, yun lang. Kasi I know, dito sa Mexico, yan, known yan sa Cancun.
Yeah. So, meron silang bar dito. Order ako ng
May beer ka na sa order. What are you gonna order?
Jack
Meron
Daniels.
kayong ice coffee. Sure.
Ikaw.
I don't know.
Ayan sila may mga.
Hindi pa tayo dito, no? Explore.
Hola!
Say hi, baby.
Can I have a Jack Daniels with what is good in Jack Daniels?
Okay, with Pepsi, soda water with Pepsi.
Yeah.
Soda water with Pepsi. Okay. Lady for you.
No, thank you. No, gracias.
No tequila, no vodka.
Nada.
Nada.
Oh, look at
Maybe if
that.
there's no baby.
Okay, for the baby too.
Gracias,
Salud.
amigo.
Bigyan natin.
Yeah.
Baka muna.
Lapag mo dito. Magbibigay kami ng tip. Ready kami sa mga tip-tip na yan. So, meron ditong fountain sa gitna tsaka waiting area din. Nung first day, dito nag-iiyak si Bianca. Gusto niyang pumunta dyan sa loob, magsawsaw. Eh, hindi pwede. Kaya nag-iiyak siya. Where's mommy? Mommy is there. How are you, mommy?
Good. Just looking around kasi we haven't been really like exploring the lobby
Yeah,
area.
let's go over there.
Lagi lang tayong nasa area natin.
Ooh, sarap.
Ito may bayad lang. Ay, hookah pala yan. Yung parang smoke.
Ito may
yung
waiting
shop
area din
nila.
dito. Color pink naman yung ano nila. Mga cushions.
Pang privilege.
Yeah. Oh, pang privilege pala ito eh.
Gusto mo muna tayo doon.
Sa labas?
Oo.
Let's go! So, lalabas muna kami.
Ooh, windy. Ayun o, shaded.
Ooh, yeah, dun tayo. Tambay tayo dun. Tatambayan the castles muna dito.
May happenings doon ah. Baka may foam party ulit.
Andi,
May
parang-
beach volleyball.
Oh, beach volleyball. Kuhan ako. Kung abot dito. Ayun oh, sa baba.
Or do you wanna sit over there or here?
Here is fine.
Ew, babe, there's ants there.
O, doon sa kabila.
Ang arte. They're doing beach volleyball over there by the pool.
Oh, no. No, this is not for baby. Hingi-hingi siya ng ano eh. Ng Jack Daniels na drinks ko eh.
Yun lang.
What is that?
And there's the beach. There's the water. It's really hot, I think. You're gonna get burned. It's nice and windy. Dito kami sa parang
Kasi humihingi siya ng drinks ko. Eh, hindi pa pwede ang baby.
Juice! More juice for Bianca! He likes it.
Nag-drinks din siya eh.
Yeah, you have
Ano yan? Anong drinks siya? Margarita.
strawberry, pineapple.
Kala ko margarita.
It's called Fantasia. And may coconut cream.
Yeah, walang alcohol.
He likes it. Uh-oh. It's just like a juice smoothie, right, baby? Oh, nagpasi na. I guess it's done.
Nasaan kaya si Bianca? Let's go, let's go. Let's eat, let's eat. She wanna explore everywhere.
Lagay mo nga. Ay, kaya mo.
Ano?
Doon ka na. May
Sige, papuntay mo siya.
Let's go to the back.
So, lunchtime na namin. Yan na yung baby. Kanina pa siya kumakain habang kumukuha kami ng food namin. Ito yung kanyang food. May banana. Banana, mahilig siya sa banana eh. Kasi yung chips, alam mo, tinapon niya lang. Ayan o. Nasa floor. Pinagputol-putol niya tapos tinapon. Gracias. Tapos kumuha ako ng salad. Tapos ito yung main course ko. May fish, mayroong chicken. Ito fish din to eh. Ito naman kay Irene.
Parang
Ano yan?
Chinese fried rice. Tapos noodles parang Chinese din.
Oo, mga Chinese. Chinese food.
Or Japanese.
May salad din si Irene. You. That's it.
Did you try yung noodles? Ang sarap.
Dessert na. Si Bianca, ayan. Busy pa rin. She's having ice cream.
What's this?
Ice cream da.
Say it again. What is this called? Oh, look at Bianca. She wants to get down, but she was just relaxing. Fix her again, babe. Yung legs niya baka maano din. Yay! Yay! Bianca! Bianca! Yay! Look at her view. Oh, that's her view. Yay! Where are you going? She wants to run. Oh, where's she going? There's a flamingo.
What is that?
Bianca's coming in a car. Bianca! Hi! Come here, love! Look at her baby! She has a car now! Wow! Wow, wow, wow!
Beep beep! We're here!
Hey, Bianca!
Yahoo!
Wow, did you just get a car? Did you
Yeah!
get a car, love? Baby, go this way. Baby, babe. Hi!
Hi, mommy!
Bianca, are you driving a car?
We're gonna go around the pool, okay?
Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Love you! Beep beep! Beep beep!
Look at Bianca. She's in the pool. Hi, baby. Hi, love. Are you having fun? Look, she found the car floaty. She was in it. Baby. Ayaw niya na. Are you having fun, love?
Papabitaw ito eh.
Yay! Yahoo! She's so happy. Are you happy?
Dapat pala lagi natin siyang araw-araw siya magiging masaya siya.
Are you happy, Baba? Happy. Are you happy? Happy. Love you.
Hi! So, nakabalik na kami dito. Katapos namin mag-swimming ni Bianca. Pinaliguan na lang namin siya, binanlawan na. Nagpalit na ng damit. Tapos nalabahan ko na din yung mga sinuot ko na basa. Tapos pagdating namin dito, malinis na rin yung room. Natapos na yung yung room service. Ngayon si Bianca, housekeeping. Housekeeping pala. So si Bianca, check natin. Ayan. Bagsak na. Nagtatampisaw pa kasi kanina yan. Nag-ride yan ng nag-ride ng car. Tapos nag-swimming. Tapos nagtampisaw pa. Pagod na pagod yung ate niyo. Tambok pa ng puwito. Yun ang kagandahang hindi inaasahan. Ganda naman ng baby namin. So magsi 7 PM na dito. Medyo maliwanag pa rin. Lumabas ako, akala ko makakakita ako ng sunset. Ilang araw na akong walang nakikitang sunset. Well, I guess yung araw na palubog na doon sa kabilang side. Medyo makulimlim today at medyo umaambon din. Sarap sanang tumambay dito eh. Kaso umaambon na. Siguro tomorrow. Yan, tulog yung dalawa. Lakas umiling. It's dinner time. So ito yung akin. Oh, squid. Tapos may soup ako. And my beer. Tapos si Bianca. Hi Bianca. Are you having fun? Eating your dinner? Ito na yung kay Irene. May tea rin siya. Wow.
What's this? What is it? Ice cream! Ayaw humingi ng ice cream eh. Sabi
Dessert
niya
na eh, no?
Ice cream! I said, what? Ice cream!
Dessert na kagad si Bianca. Kami hindi pa tapos. Sabay tumawa pa. Yay! Dessert na rin kami. Ayan, oh. Humingi na rin ako ng tea para maganda yung tunaw ng hinain. Nagabi sumakit yung tiyan ko. Si Bianca request pa rin request ng ice cream. Did you enjoy your dinner, babe? Wow.